Okay, okay. So let's have a look at the matching strategy. The matching question for reading comprehension. I like this question because it doesn't go in order. Okay, and normally questions that don't go in order are more difficult to do. But when we're looking at a matching question, it doesn't go in order, but the question is fairly easy to understand and easy to do because it shouldn't be too much of a challenge to locate the specific information in the reading passage. So when we're looking at a matching question, this is what it looks like. And sometimes one of the first things that you'll notice with a matching question is that it's unbalanced. And what I mean by unbalanced is that you have more questions here than you have possible answer choices. So this means that somebody's name is going to be used twice. Here we have 5 questions, 4 names. One person's name is going to be used twice. That probably means that that person's name is going to appear more than once because they're not going to use the same sentence for 2 questions. Okay, that's not going to happen. The matching question, you're going to have to look at a list of names or categories or countries or something like that, or some other type of proper noun, and connect that name to one or two of the possible questions or answer choices. All right. Probably I would say with the matching question, the most difficult thing for most students to be able to handle is the synonym language, because what you have to be able to do is you have to be able to find the person's name, read what the person said, and then pick which one of the questions has that exact same information. Okay, but using synonyms, same meaning, but using different words. So handling the synonyms is really a challenge for this question, but it's an English test. Okay, it's an English test. All right. I would always do the matching question if it appears in my set of questions for a reading passage, because the matching question is easy to do the first part of the test. If you remember in the very beginning of reading comprehension, I explained to you that there are 2 parts you have to do. The first thing you have to be able to handle is finding the information, and after you can find it, the second part is understanding it, or interpreting it. So the first part for a matching question is actually pretty straightforward, finding the information. So I love doing this question. I think it's a good one to do. In terms of the steps for strategy, you want to quickly look at the words in the box, and then I would suggest you quickly go to the passage and circle where you see each word or name. Some will appear more than once. Some names will appear 2 times or 3 times. All right. Then you want to quickly look at the possible answer choices and underline the keywords in each answer choice quickly also. My recommendation for students is that you do the names or nouns that appear once in the passage first. These will be very fast to answer. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to go and you want to read the sentence where you see the name or the noun, and then quickly go to that answer choice and locate the one that has the matching synonym language. So the strategy is very straightforward when you're talking about doing this particular kind of question. All right. So, normally I recommend that students do the questions that go in order first, and then do the questions that don't go in order. However, with a matching question, if you wanted to, you can do this one first because it's actually pretty easy to do. All right? Pretty easy to do. Okay? And so thanks a lot, and let's now go do some practice for our matching question. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon.